Hello student, how are you? I hope you're fine and doing very well. You have understood the last lesson where I had taught entry control loop, for loop and while loop. You have seen that for loop and while loop execute as long as condition is true. Today lesson we are going to learn do while loop. Do while loop works at least once irrespective of the condition whether true or false. In do while loop, condition is tested afterwards. This means this loop will execute at least once. In this lesson, you will learn the syntax of do while loop, the examples of do while loop, and the program. So let's come on the screen. Semicolon, curly bracket close, while condition. Example of do while is I equal 1 semicolon do curly bracket system dot out dot print I plus cap semicolon I plus equal 1. This is the updation curly bracket while I less than equal 10 semicolon. So how this loop works? This loop how it works? Let's see here. Initial value is I is 1. 1 is printed out. So 1 is printed on the screen. The value of I become 2. Then condition is tested 2 less than equal 10. Yes, the control is again transferred to 2. Then 2 is printed out. The value of I becomes 3. 3 less than equal 10. 3 is printed. Again 4 is printed. 5 is printed. 6 is printed, 7, 8, 9 and 10 is printed here. Then the value of 5 becomes 11. 11 less than equal 10, false. Condition is false, loop is terminated. Suppose I take I equal 100. Instead of 1, I take 100. So what will happen? System.out.print 100 will be printed out. The value of I will become 101 and the condition will be 101 less than equal 10. False. Loop is terminated. So this loop works at least once irrespective of the condition, whether condition is true or false. We'll give you another example. I equal 100 to curly bracket system dot out dot println I is printed. I minus equal 1 curly bracket while I greater than equal 1. Initial value of I is 100. Initial value of I is 100. 100 is printed out. This statement execute 100 is printed. Then I minus equal 1, the value of I becomes 99. Then condition is checked. 99 is greater than equal 1. Condition is true. When condition is true, the loop is executed again. Then what happened? 99 is printed out. The value of y becomes 98. 98 greater than equal 1. Condition true. 98 is printed out. 98 is printed out. Then control is transfer. Then it becomes 97. 97 greater than equal 1. 97 is printed. And this way it will continue. When the value of phi becomes like 1, 1 is printed out, then it becomes 0. 0 greater than equal 1, false. Loop is terminated. So you follow 100 to 1 is printed out. As long as condition is true, this loop works. But what is the difference then between while and do while? Here condition is tested at the end, whereas in while it's tested in the beginning. While loop is known as entry control loop, whereas do while is known as exit control loop. If suppose initial value of phi, if I taken 500, the output will be 500 and 499 up to 1. If I take value of phi is 0, then what will be output? 0 will be printed out. The value will be minus 1. Minus 1 greater than equal 1? No. This means this loop works at least once, irrespective of the condition, whether true or false. I hope you understood. Let's come to the BlueJ IDE. We have already made a program using do while. Just I click on the screen. This is the program to calculate factorial of any number. I've used import java.util.scanner. The class name is do while. Public static void main string args. I have taken scanner1 object and I have input a number whose factorial I want to find it out. So today we are going to explain you this program. We have taken input, suppose number 5. We want to calculate the factorial of 5. Initial value of f is 1. Then what will happen? 5 is multiplied in 1. Then it becomes 5. Value of n becomes 4. Condition is checked. 4 greater than equal 1. Condition is true. When condition is true, loop is control is transferred here. Then 4 is multiplied in 5. Value of n becomes 3. 3 greater than equal 1. Condition is again true. Again control is transferred here. Then 3 is multiplied. Value of n becomes 2. 2 greater than equal 1. Condition is true again. Control transfer here. 2 is multiplied. Value of n becomes 1. 1 greater than equal 1. Condition is again true. Then control transfer to do. 1 is multiplied. Value of n becomes 0. 0 greater than equal to 1. Condition is false. Loop is terminated. Then what is the output? Factorial equal. The output comes on the screen. Factorial equal 120. Why? Because 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 equal 120. Follow how the factorial is calculated. You note down this program, we close this program and we compile. Begin number 5, answer is 120. I hope you understood the program and you understood the do while loop. Meet you next class. Thank you.